Welcome to your Impacts of Computing Current Events project. How do you use this document? Your teacher probably shared this document with you via Google Classroom, and it probably made your own copy of this document. So this document is one that you can type directly on. It's called a Hyperdoc. This is your chance to find a topic about the impacts of computing on society or on people. So you can find a topic that interests you and go a little bit deeper and find a current events news article to report back to your class on. For example, you might be interested in drones or self-driving cars, or how people make music with computers, or how people can use their programming skills to control light shows at concerts. This video that you're watching will live here on slide number 2 in the document. So you can watch it as often as you need to so you can remember how to use this document. Your mission is to find a computer science topic, a current event topic, to report on. The video in the middle of the slide is about how computer science is changing everything. Watch this video right here on the slide to get a lot of different ideas of topics you might research further. Underneath that, if you didn't see something that interested you, try typing that URL beginning with HTTPS into a web browser, and you'll see about 12 additional videos that you could watch to help you gain some ideas on which topic to explore further. Once you've watched a few videos, then you'll come over here and click right on the document. In general, wherever you see red text, that's text where you're going to type. After each idea, press the Enter or Return button, and your cursor will move down to the next line. And because it's an ordered list, it'll automatically put the number for you. Make sure you have at least 10 ideas. In this step, you're just brainstorming a long list of ideas that you might be interested in researching further. On this slide, you'll learn a little bit more about online search strategies. Watch these 2 videos to improve your Google searching. In the videos, you'll learn things like how to use Boolean operators, how to use quotes or asterisks in order to target the information that you're looking for. Once you've watched those videos, then go back to this slide and take your list of 10 ideas and start applying some of those new search strategies to your ideas. This will help you see what information is out there so you can narrow down your topic. Once you've tried that with some of your topics here on your list of 10 ideas, then you're going to move on to slide number 5, in which you narrow your topic down. After doing a variety of Google searches on those 10 topics, you should be able to narrow it down to 2 that look pretty interesting to you. So again, here's red text. So you're going to replace this red text with your topic. This time you're going to narrow it down from your list of 10 to your list of 2. And then below each topic, you're going to make a list of 5 keyword searches that you're going to do so you can explore your topic a little further. Make sure to use some of those new Google search strategies on this page of 5 keyword searches. When you've narrowed it down to 2 different topics and you've listed 5 potential keyword searches, start doing the keyword searches so you can dive deeper into these 2 topics. Once you start seeing the news articles that are available on these different topics according to the keyword searches you used, you should start finding articles that are of interest to you. On this slide, you're going to make a list of 4 articles that you found interesting. Right here is red text, so you're going to replace this text with your link. At this point, it doesn't matter which topic you find an article about. Any articles that you find that are of interest to you that you might use for your article should go here. So I found one about self-driving cars. When you have 4 articles here, then you're ready to decide which one you're most interested in. When you get to this slide, you're ready to focus on one topic and one article. So you'll put your article link here. So you can go back to this slide and just copy and paste the link from there and paste it in here if that's the link you're going to use. Make sure to put your article title here. The article I've chosen is entitled Self-Driving Cars Will Kill People. Who decides who dies? And in this box, say a couple of sentences about why you chose this article. And when you've typed in your sentences, you're ready to move on to the next slide. On the next slide, you'll see a graphic organizer. While you're reading your article, you're going to have to put who, what, why, when, how, and where on this graphic organizer. This graphic organizer will help you present to your class. Your teacher may require you to make a 1-minute presentation to your class where you tell them about the article, summarize it by using the information you'll find here on your graphic organizer, and you'll say who this impacts and how. Once again, here's red text. So you'll just highlight that text and enter the topic in the center. You'll enter who here, what, why, when, where, and how here. And then on your final slide, this mostly impacts, you're going to highlight this and you can click off. This mostly impacts all drivers. Here's how. And then down below, you'll click where it says type your paragraph here, and you'll start to explain the impact of your topic, self-driving cars, who's at fault when there's an accident right here. Once you've finished your paragraph here, you can go back through all the slides and make sure anywhere you saw red text that you entered your own red text. And when you're finished, you'll turn this into your teacher. Most likely, you'll turn it in through Google Classroom. That's how Hyperdocs works, and good luck in researching a computer science topic of interest to you.